we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi guys, so welcome to my weekend vlog. Normally in the weekend I wake up really late, so I'm gonna skip my breakfast and go straight outside for a cup of coffee or something. So let's get to it. So guys, I was going out for coffee today and I did not buy coffee. Instead I buy a vase. So to save my money, I'm gonna go home and make my own coffee at home. I am a typical homebody. I spend a lot of time at home rather than going out, and that's why I spend lots of time taking care of my space to make it very comfortable for me to live in. Yesterday I bought a side table. I think this color goes so well with my yellow armchair, and yes, I am in love with this vibrance. My friend and I just bought a new sewing machine, though we have zero experience in making clothes. I don't know about you, but I feel most lively when I create anything. Like, it is my happy spot. That's why I do YouTube, I do crochet, I embroider, you name it. I think it is really important to understand where your happy spot is, what can trigger it, and how to maintain that stage even in the downtime. So in Toronto, we only have a few months of nice warm weather. That's why I'm trying to go out as much as possible lately. This is my favorite park so far, which is Trinity Bellwood. I always have some things to eat and board game to play when we going on a picnic. If I go along, I prefer reading something. It is nice just to lie down and be in the present. Sometimes I think my lifestyle is a little bit old for someone at my age, but that's okay, as long as it works.
Aww. Ủa chỉ có ghế luôn kìa, mấy đó.
Cái bàn đúng không?
Ngọt nha.
Welcome to Get Unready with me. So today I'm gonna be a beauty vlogger. We're gonna have whenever my body, my face is clean, is in the best condition, I feel better. I just get home and I have the makeup on, my sunscreen and everything. So I'm gonna use the cleanser to remove my makeup. Normally cleanser cannot remove the makeup, but this one, they say this is a makeup remover as well. So I'm gonna use this to save some time, you know.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.